Good morning, children. Last class we have learned about our plant cell and its cell organelles. Okay, this is a structure we have learned in last classes. What is the peculiar structures we can see in plant cell? Cell wall. Okay, because only plant cell will have cell wall. Animal cell they don't have a cell wall. And we have learned about cell membrane, Golgi apparatus. What the Golgi apparatus will do? Cell wall will protect the cell. Cell membrane is a gatekeeper. Golgi apparatus, it used to store food items. Chloroplast, it used to synthesize food. Vacuoles will be stored with wastewater or some food material, some water also. And mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell, where cellular respiration would take place over there. Cytoplasm is a liquid or semi-liquid like substance. In that only all those cell organelles will present. And rough endoplasmic reticulum, if it will contains ribosomes, we can call it as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum without a ribosomes. And ribosomes, what is the role of ribosomes? Ribosomes is very important for synthesis of protein. And we have learned about nucleus, and nucleus will contains the chromosomes. Chromosomes will contains a gene, that is only will carry information from one generation to another generation. And nucleolus, where ribosome synthesis will takes place. So this we have learned in previous classes. Today we shall learn about the animal cell. Okay, this is the electron microscope structure of animal cell, and this only you want to draw and practice. Okay, and as like that, plant cell, even animal cells contain cell membrane. Animal cell contains cell membrane, but here there is no cell wall, because only for plants they need to maintain with the high wind and other rainfall, everything they need to protect that. So it will possess a cell wall, but animal cell there is no cell wall. So cell wall is absent in animal cell, and we can see the cell membrane. And as like cytoplasm, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome is meant for protein synthesis, Golgi bodies is meant for storage of food, and mitochondria as like powerhouse of the cell. And here look at the vacuole size. Vacuole size is very smaller when compared to plant cell. Plant cell vacuole is bigger in size, but animal cells, now look at the size, it is very smaller. Animal cell smaller vacuoles will be, but plant cell we can see bigger vacuole. And center we can see the nucleus. Inside nucleus, nucleolus will present, and nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane. And one more important cell organelle will present in the animal cell, that is lysosome. Lysosome, this cell organelle will digest the dead or unwanted particles which is present in the cell. What it will do? Lysosome will digest the unwanted particles which is present in the animal cell. So that's all about the animal cell. Here you want to remember, cell wall is absent in the animal cell, and no chloroplast. So that is the main difference. Cell wall is absent in animal cell, no chloroplast in animal cell. Only plant cells will contain chloroplast. And here in animal cell, smaller vacuole will be present, but in plant cell, a bigger vacuoles will be present. So please draw the animal cell in your notebook and practice the animal cell. Is that clear, children? So I'll send the different types of cell in next video, and we will see the difference between plant and animal cell. So now look at this slide. This is very important. Now it was given in your textbook also, page number. You take your cell chapter in your book and also label the parts in the book, and you want to write the difference between plant and animal cell in book also, and you want to practice also. Page number 96. In that comparison of plant and animal cell was given, and they have given only 2 and remaining you just copy down and keep it. And here cell wall is present in plant cell but it is absent in animal cell. Cell membrane is present in both plant and animal cell. Plastid, what is plastid children? Plastid is a chloroplast. Okay, CHLOROPLAST. What is the other name for plastid? Chloroplast. So because of the plastid only the plant can able to prepare their own food. What is the other name for plastid? Chloroplast. So chloroplast is present in plant cell but it is absent in animal cell. Okay, and mitochondria is present both in plant and animal cell. Nucleus also will present both in plant and animal cell. And vacuoles, larger size and more in number in plant cell, whereas in animal cell it is very smaller size. We have saw in the diagram, no, it is very smaller size, and some of the animal cells even the vacuoles are absent. And chloroplast is present and it is absent here. Ribosomes present. And what is the shape? Here the plant cell it is a fixed shape. Why? Because it contains a cell wall, so it is a fixed shape, like a square or rectangular or like that. It is all fixed shape. But animal cell, they doesn't contain a cell wall, so it is irregular. The animal cell is just look like this, so it is not a constant or fixed shape. The shape of the animal cell is irregular. And Golgi apparatus is present in plant and animal cell. Okay, what is the role of Golgi apparatus? It used to store food item. And the size, plant cell size is very larger and animal cell size is comparatively smaller. Please write and keep all those difference in your notebook and also in your book also. So next video I'll send the different types of cells. With that the chapter will complete.